UMAC Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So unusual machines has been sitting at $11.10, 25% gains for Friday specifically, and last week report was a 27% gains. So right now, I mean, it's not like we have a lot of data here, but we still definitely just have data since March, actually since February. And in terms of this, I'm looking to take it up only if there was like a proper shift, and I'm actually starting to see the first break start happening right here. So actually there is some exciting times coming. I'll definitely give it that. So if I start seeing like a double break happen, I mean, we're already seeing the first one, so I want to see a movement up, pull down, and then a break from that. And that will sit like pretty much solidify this. So that's how UMAC looks like for me. If you want to learn the strategy, click the first link in the description. There is a free daily newsletter.